Hi kids!
Wow!
So many playthings. This is a fish. Sky blue color, yellow color. Another fish. White color, violet color. Fruits, strawberry. Red color and green color. This is kiwi. Green and light brown. This is shell. Violet color. A dolphin. White and light blue. Let's join them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No.
6.
Wow!
Brush. Now we will write alphabets. Red color, blue color, yellow color, green color. Wow, so many things. Do you like it, kids? Let's open it.
Wow!
Do you know that they all are erasers? Let's play. This is a tree. You can also separate its parts. Brown color, green color. This is also green color. A pineapple. Yellow color, green color. This is sweet corn. Light yellow color, green color. This is a banana. Light green color, light yellow color. Wow, a teddy bear. A yellow color teddy bear.
No.
Let's join them again. Now keep them aside. A teddy, a banana, A big tree. Sweet corn. A pineapple. Oh wow, crocodiles. Let's open it.
Hiya.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 crocodiles. They are so colorful. Our first one is orange color. They all are erasers. This is so cute. Second one is purple. Do you like them, kids? Third one is yellow. Fourth one is green. They are so colorful. Now keep them aside. Orange color, purple color, green color. Hi kids.
Whoa!
They all are dinosaur erasers. Let's open it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 erasers. Dinosaur erasers. This is purple color. Yellow color. Orange color. And our last one is green color. They are so colorful. Do you like it, kids?
No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Now keep them aside. Orange, green, yellow, purple. This is very funny. Oh wow, a castle. Let's open it. This is so nice and also colorful. You can also separate the birds. Do you know that it is eraser?
Whoa!
Do you like it, kids? We also learned the colors. Let's join them again.
Hiya.
Violet color, light pink color, pink color. Now keep it aside.
No, 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 no.